You guys, welcome back. This is Thai-style Chili Crisps, a common tabletop condiment added in noodles and soups to enhance the flavor. It's spicy, nutty, and has a roasted aroma. Let's get started. Let's begin by smashing up some garlic. Let's set this aside. We'll use it soon. These are Jinda chilies. They are a bit spicy and also have a nice aroma when fried. On medium heat, add the chilies to some vegetable oil. We'll fry this until the chilies have deepened in color and become crispy and brittle. It smells spicy and nutty. Strain them and set them aside. They will crisp up even more as they cool down. Some shallots. Cut them thinly like this. In they go on medium heat into that same chili-infused oil. Stir them occasionally. Fry until they've deepened in color. Scoop them up and set aside. And finally, on medium heat, in goes the garlic that we smashed up earlier into that same oil. Fry until they've developed this golden color. Scoop them up and set aside. They'll crisp up even more as they cool down. Look at how brittle this chili has become. The garlic and shallots are quite crispy too. Blend all the chilies, shallots, and garlic together into a crispy paste. I had to do this in batches due to this small blender. It smells incredible. Add the crispy paste back into the warm oil with the heat off. And add salt to taste. Combine everything together and the chili crisp is done. You can store this in a container in the fridge for up to a month. Sprinkle onto noodle dishes and soups for that extra kick and aroma. It really enhances the flavors of these kind of dishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.